Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore how to choose the coordinates format in the Maps.me app on your phone. This is a useful feature for anyone who wants to view locations accurately and in the format they prefer. First, open the Maps.me app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the More option. Then, select Settings from the list that appears. After that, find and click on Coordinates Format. Here, you will see two options. You can choose decimal degrees, which is useful for general navigation and GPS input. Or you can select degrees, minutes, seconds, which is preferred if you need a more precise format for location sharing or professional use. Finally, select the format you want, and your app will display coordinates in the chosen style. This makes it easier to read and share locations in the format that suits your needs. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.